Hello, wonderful listeners. Welcome back to yet another episode of Popcorn with You. I'm your host Priyanka Naik this side, and today we are diving deep into the topic that affects us all, which is लोग क्या कहेंगे. Yes, all of us have undeniably given up on so many dreams and aspirations in our life only because of लोग क्या कहेंगे. It is that powerful phrase which dictates our life. We all have that nosy auntie or that ever watching neighbor who seems to pop up in our lives, scrutinizing our every move and action. You are haunted by the fear of being judged. Everything you do, it could be anything: career, education, marriage, and even your fashion style. They are all framed based on लोग क्या कहेंगे. In today's video, we will discuss the problem associated with this social construct and the strategies to break free from this shackle. So let's get started. We Indians are more scared of लोग क्या कहेंगे than failures in our life. We know that failures are part of life, but we have fear of being judged. Take for instance, you have done engineering and you are working for some IT company wherein you have been paid decent enough. But eventually you realize that you are not enjoying the work environment, because of which you are planning of leaving the company and starting your own restaurant. So when you make this decision and when you tell about this to your parents, you will not abruptly receive support from your parents, and you too will find it difficult to take this step, mainly because of लोग क्या कहेंगे. The fear you have is not more of what if the restaurant doesn't work. It is of what if people mock at you if it doesn't work. Or think of another situation wherein you love someone from another religion, caste or social class, and you feel that he or she is perfect partner for you because he is caring, understanding, and he has all the qualities that you are looking for in your partner. But you are scared to accept it publicly, even though you know that you will be more happy if you are with him or her only because of लोग क्या कहेंगे. But here is the question that comes to my mind. Who are these logs? Are they strangers? Are they some random people on the road? Do you feel if a random uncle says anything, it will affect you? No, right? Instead, you will call him crazy and move ahead. Then who are they? They are people from your own vicinity. Your friends, your family, your colleagues, your neighbors and your relatives. By the way, you are also log for someone. But do you think they have time to think about you? Okay, let's talk about it in other way around. Consider one of your cousins had chosen some odd profession. He or she chose to be chef while all others are becoming doctors and engineers. His parents are insisting him to either become doctor or engineer, but he doesn't listen. He only wants to be a chef. Now, he can become a famous chef like Sanjeev Kapoor, or he might not do well in that profession. Either ways, will that affect your life in any ways? You might talk about it twice, thrice, or consider maximum you will talk about it 10 times and then live it. That too, you are just talking out of boredom because you are looking for some entertainment. It will not affect your life in any ways. The point here I am trying to make is that no one has time to think about you. You should think about yourself. Just like how you don't have time to think about others, just like how others' decision doesn't make difference in your life, similarly, you also don't make difference in their life. Even if people are talking about you, they are not talking because they want you to be successful or do something great in life. They are just talking for time pass because they are looking for some entertainment in life. Another important thing is that the society that we live in is highly double standard. It will criticize you for whatever thing you do. These logs will have their opinion on everything you do. If you are poor, they will say that you are not hardworking. And if you are rich, then they will say, this is not just his hard work company, kuch to gadbad hai. If you are a boy and if you cry, they will criticize you for doing so. And if you don't cry, they will mock you for being stone-hearted. Either ways, they will have their opinion. लोग क्या कहेंगे definitely makes a difference in our life, however much we try to deny it. But who are these logs and to what extent they matter lies in our hand. Every time when people say something, you need to ask yourself whether they really have time to think about you, whether they really want to see you happy or successful, and whether you really make any difference in their life. If you get your answer as yes, only then their opinion has some weightage in your life. The desire to seek validation from people is natural, but there is fine line between seeking guidance and allowing their opinion to overrule your choice. You should listen to different opinions and think about them. When this log kya kahenge becomes barrier to your personal growth, happiness and self-acceptance, you need to reevaluate it and do things in a way that you become happy. The choices you make should not be hindered by mere opinion of other people. Most of the successful people would not be where they are today only if they thought about log kya kahenge. Sania Mirza would not be where she is today if her parents thought about log kya kahenge. Sir Narayan Murthy, Sir Dhirubhai Ambani are all-time favorite. Shah Rukh Khan, Kapil Sharma, Lakshmi Narayan Tripathi. None of them would have achieved whatever they have achieved till date only if they cared about log kya kahenge. Breaking free from the expectation of log kya kahenge is definitely not an easy task. It requires self-acceptance and self-expression. So let's discuss the strategies. The first one is to identify what truly matters to you. Reflect on your goals, aspirations and values. This could be honesty, justice, freedom and family. See which of these are important to you. Think about where you see yourself in your near future. Dwell into your passion. Identify all those things that genuinely makes you happy and find your source of joy. Once you are clear about all those things that makes difference in your life, you can easily identify those things that doesn't matter to you. Then you can respectfully decline all those relationships or things that does not align to your authentic self. The second one is to remember that you cannot control other people's opinion. You can only control your reaction and choices in life. When you live life to meet the expectation of other people, it can lead to regret. Because here you are not prioritizing your own needs and joy, instead you are satisfying someone else. In this process, you are neglecting your authentic self. The last one is communication. Engage in open conversation with your loved ones about your dreams, desires and boundaries. Share your journey with them and help them know why you are making certain choices. Remember, breaking free from log kya kahenge doesn't mean that you are disrespecting your culture or tradition. It just means that you are being authentic to yourself and embracing your individuality. You're striving balance between the societal expectation and personal self. Before we wrap up with this episode, I want to leave you with a thought. Your life is your story and you are the author of it. Don't let log kya kahenge be the editor of it. Be bold and write your own narrative. Instead of focusing on log kya kahenge, focus on aap kya karoge apni story mein. Thanks for joining us today on Popcorn with Piyu. If you have liked this episode, then hit the subscribe button so that you get notification of all the upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your opinion with us. Until the next episode, remember that breaking free from societal expectation is an act of self-love. Be brave, be authentic, and be hero of your own narrative.